Winter variation is an Algs subset to skip OLL using one of 27 Algs. This is probably the best first subset to start with since most cases are done relatively intuitive. It works by having a join pair with 3 oriented edges, which normally gives us a cross, or use a different Alg to skip OLL. Now I suggest to learn only the first half since the rest are quite tricky. However, if you want to learn all of them, then let's go. Starting with the easy rectangle cases. For this first rectangle, the front right sticker is facing us. Simply insert and you're done. If it faces to the right, sledge, cancel into this OLL with F inversexy F prime. Now when the top side is almost oriented, split the pair, U2, insert, and undo the first 2 moves. Next are I like to call the tank cases. When the back left sticker is facing to the left, which merely resembles a pair of headlights, sexy move, then insert. If this is facing to the back, these twice, then insert. On to the partial bow tie cases. For this one, the back right sticker is facing to the side. It's essentially a U OLL, but the U2 is replaced with a U prime. Similarly, if it's facing to the back, inversexy, U into the U OLL. Moving on are the P shapes. Starting with 2 adjacent stickers looking like headlights, it's the last half of the Sune. If these are facing vertically from each other, create this block, these twice, and fix the cross. So when one sticker is facing us and the other to the side, inversexy, into this rectangle case. If one is facing to the back and to the side, hide the pair, inversexy, then insert. Now when these 2 diagonal stickers are facing horizontally, L prime, inversexy, L. If these are facing vertically, double flicks, and reinsert to the left. When one sticker is facing to the back and to the side, similar to the last partial bow tie case, minus the inversexy. And if one faces us and to the side, same out from the first bow tie case, with another inversexy. Alright, halfway done. So next are the cases with only the front right corner solved. When there's a pair of headlights at the back, it's the same as the pi OLL, but the first U2 is a U. If these 2 face vertically, double flicks into a sledge. Now when one sticker is facing to the side and back, inversexy, into this P shape from earlier. If one is facing to the back and almost a pair of headlights, take out the back pair and reinsert to the front, then to the back with a U2. So up next are the H cases. When these 3 stickers are facing vertically, inversexy, into solving this case. Now if these are horizontal, take out the right cross edge, connect this white sticker on the pair to the cross edge, reinsert this by moving it aside, and bringing down. Onto the pie-shaped cases. When these two right stickers are facing vertically, and almost a pair of headlights on the left, sexy move. Into this partial bow tie case from earlier. If the headlight is on the right and this is facing to the back, rolling R's, insert, and push. Now when these two back stickers are horizontal and this is facing us, going up, U2, and going down. And when the headlights is at the back and this is facing away, double inverse sexy, canceling into this case. Finally, we've made it to the Sunes. For this one, the front right sticker is facing away, double sexy, insert, easy. Lastly, when it faces us, sexy move, into this case with one soft corner. So after skipping OLL, we should go straight to PLL, and I'll link to this video if you need a refresher. Alright, take care and have a great day.